Did you know, Astros? Some of the biggest businesses today started with zero money. If you have a phone and internet connection, you can start a business in 2026 without investing a single rupee. Welcome to Dulcet Motives, where you can learn business, investment, and motivation to build a better future. In this video, I will show you 5 businesses you can start with zero investment, even if you are a student or a complete beginner. Let's get started. First is freelancing. If you know skills like graphic design, writing, video editing, or social media management, you can offer these services online. You can start on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, or even find clients through Instagram. Your skill is your biggest investment. Second is content creation. You can start making videos on YouTube, create reels on Instagram, or post short videos online as your audience grows. You can earn money through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Third is selling digital products. You can create ebooks, templates, or simple online guides. The best part is that once you create a digital product, it can sell again and again without any extra cost. Fourth is social media management. Many small businesses need help managing their social media pages. You can help them create posts, reply to comments, and grow their audience, and get paid every month. Fifth is affiliate marketing. This means promoting products online and earning a commission for every sale made through your link. You do not need to create a product or manage inventory. The biggest investment is not money, it is consistency and effort. Start today, learn every day, and your small idea can turn into a successful business. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Dulcet Motives for more videos about business, investment, and motivation.